In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to turn on back tap on iPhone 11. Let's see that. First, open your settings app and scroll down a little bit. Then you can see this option accessibility. Just open that. Then you can see this option touch. Just click that. Then scroll down to the end. At the bottom you can see this option back tap. Just click that. Here we have two options, double tap and triple tap. For now I just open double tap. Under system we can choose any of these options. You can choose camera, control center, flashlight, lock screen, anything. For now I just select lock screen. I just select this and just double tap here. Now you can see the screen was locked. Again, see that. Just like that. If I double tap on the back of the screen, then the iPhone screen will be locked automatically. You can also choose triple tap for some other settings like camera or flashlight. Just tap flashlight and triple tap. Then the camera will be turned on. If I triple tap again, then the camera will be turned off. That's it. This is how you can turn on back tap option on iPhone 11. I hope this video helps. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.